Hello everyone and welcome to this episode of Midwest Finest on Picture Time TV. My name is Idris and this is July 4th celebration here in the United States. And if you don't know what July 4th is, it'll sound like you are in the middle of a warfare right now, like in Iraq or Syria. But it is a celebration of the United States independence. And going by the wealth of history, you'll know that it's well worth it. And this is how people here celebrate it, with lots of elaborate fireworks. And fireworks after fireworks, and this is how it's gonna go till midnight tonight, July 4th. And I believe a few days afterwards, two people are permitted to shoot fireworks and stuff. So this is Midwest Finest on Picture Time TV, and we are at the night of July 4th, enjoying the spectacle of the fireworks here in Indiana. Woo! Happy July 4th. Happy Independence Day, America.